Hello friends, welcome to ETK Master. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to talk about the most colorful and beautiful fishes from the Lake Malawi called Mbuna Cichlids. The name Mbuna means rockfish. By nature, most Mbuna cichlids live among the piles of rocks and along the rocky shores of Lake Malawi. Mbuna cichlids are one of the most colorful freshwater fish for home aquarium. Mbunas are very aggressive and territorial fish, and hence they are not recommended for beginner fish keepers. A suitable aquarium settings for Mbunas include many rocks, sand, adequate filtration, caves and hiding places. Plants may be uprooted, so they are best to be avoided. Mbunas exhibit strong social behavior because of its territorial nature. A dominant male maintains the spherical territory, only allowing females to enter in his territory for breeding purposes. Overcrowding the tank helps spread out the aggression caused by these territorial conflicts. Mbunas have a remarkable breeding process. For breeding the Mbunas, female to male ratio should not be less than 3:1, which means for every single male you need to have 3 females. The female will spawn on the flat rock. She will then take the unfertilized eggs in her mouth and follow closely behind the male until he releases the sperms to fertilize the eggs. The female will then incubate the eggs for approximately 3 weeks before releasing the fry. Generally, Mbunas are about 4 to 5 inch in size and they do not grow larger than 6 inches. Mbunas are hardy and aggressive fish that are quite beautiful when kept in numbers. Their aggressiveness does not make them good community fish with other fish variety in the tank. Clean and clear water is an absolute necessity for all cichlid variety fishes. The water needs to have an ample amount of oxygen and hence a bigger filter is required to ensure optimal living conditions for the Mbuna Cichlids. I prefer water change of once in 2 weeks for all cichlid varieties with proper filtration in place. This would ensure that the nitrate levels are kept at low. A high concentration of nitrate can be hazardous to the health of the fish. Cichlids should not be fed with bloodworms, as bloodworms are high in chitin, a kind of fungus which can cause bloating problem. Hence, bloodworms are very bad source of food for the Mbuna cichlid. Keep watching the video till the end and comment how many different colors of cichlids you saw in this video. If you want more such interesting videos on our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching the video.